Hi everyone, I'm Alex. I'm sales and project manager at Devialet. We are a French company. We make high-end loudspeakers and audio system. We released last year a product called Phantom Reactor. This is the product you can see here. It's a wireless active speaker. You can use it as a Bluetooth speaker or AirPlay. You can create a single and solo zone or use it as a stereo pair. And we're actually releasing this year at CEDIA a special edition that we call Reactor Custom. It's a unit dedicated for custom installer and that embed Dante. For us, using Dante was a way to actually scale up all our installation and be able to have freedom. So the reason why we integrated Dante was actually to be able to scale up the number of speakers we can use in one installation and make it super easy and efficient for custom installer to use it. It allows us to play RS file at low latency. For home theater installation, it's actually the perfect protocol to use. So really happy to use that protocol and looking forward to the coming year and using that speaker with Dante as well.